Don't you know about the benefits of honey? Let me explain it to you. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, this video includes the secrets of honey, the most precious liquid on earth, and the best ways to use honey beneficially. We did experiment with honey for 2 weeks by wearing it and eating it. And we had great experience and we get a lot of benefits from it. Watch out the full video to know the super powerful benefits of it. And there is one tip for you guys at the end. So, honey is the liquid that do wonders when it comes to the beauty and health. It has antibacterial, antiseptic, lightening and hygienic properties. It can't be spoiled and has all the necessary ingredients to keep you alive. It is beneficial for every part of the body. So, the first thing is how to eat it properly. 1 spoon of honey contains 21 calories. You can use honey to sweeten your pancakes, toast, you can stir honey into coffee or tea. Or you can mix it with yogurt, cereal, or oatmeal for a more natural sweetener. So when you use honey instead of sugar, it helps you in healing burns. Honey acts as a natural wound sealant, and tricks the body into believing that the burned area is covered with healthy skin. Coughs and colds, antiseptic ointment, skin care, acne treatment, weight loss. It helps to control cholesterol, and help lower blood pressure. So these are the benefits we get after 2 weeks of eating it. Let's make the best honey drink for weight loss. Take a small portion of ginger, cut it into small pieces, 1 small sized lemon, 1 teaspoon honey, some green tea leaves and 1 glass of water. Take the water and add pieces of ginger in it, and also the fresh green tea leaves. Boil this for 5 minutes. When boiled completely, then let it to get on the normal temperature of drinking, add 1 teaspoon of honey in it and squeeze lemon. Here your perfect honey green tea is ready. You can have it after or before 1 hour of any meal. This drink does wonders. This is the most effective drink for burning fat. It also lowers the risk of cancer and protect the brain from aging. So guys, let's move toward the wear it part. This one is for the facial skin, or you can also apply it on hands and feet. You can just simply apply honey for 10 to 15 minutes to make your skin smoother and dryness free. Or you can add some other good ingredients to make it more useful for skin. Let's make one of the best honey mask for your skin. Take 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, half teaspoon of turmeric, and half lemon. Mix all the ingredients well. And apply it on dry face for 15 minutes and wash it. This mask helps in acne removal, any pigmentation on your face, lighten skin tone and make your skin glowing. You can use honey on lips to make it moisturize. So this is the time for tip. Honey helps control your appetite. If you consume honey before bed, the body begins to burn more fat during those early hours of sleep. So, use honey instead of sugar if you can't resist of eating sweet. But don't forget, excess of everything is bad. Hope that this video helps you a lot. Stay blessed and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And also turn on the notification bell to never miss other information.